Hello, my name is Frederick Onefi and you are welcome to the UTeach Consult Diaries. Today we are going to do something small on HR analytics, and we have a question here: how to use search value to perform a lookup on a specific text. The challenge we have here is we have an appraisal comment by supervisors which is captured in a different data. So they give the appraisals based on the names or the employee name, and in the comments they state the name of the employee, and in the other data we have the employee name and employee ID, but this does not appear in the appraisal comment given by the various supervisors. And as an HR person, the comments have been given with the employee name in the cell, and now you want to pull out the employee ID and assign it to the various comments given. A simple way to go about it, or the solution we are looking at, is we want a situation where we'll be able to get a PRKK employee ID assigned here, because in the statement we have that in the whole year PRKK did perform above average. So we want it in such a way that we're able to get the employee ID here. How do we go about it? We use the lookup function and the search to solve for such a challenge. So we introduce the equal sign. We use the lookup, open the parentheses. We say the array we are looking at, it's really a 2-column one, so we introduce a 2, comma, and we introduce it here. We'll say 1 divided by the search. And what are we looking for? We are saying with this range, that's where we have the employee name. We block the range with F4, comma, should go and look for this within this particular cell. So you should go and look for these names within this particular cell. We close the search parenthesis, and the result vector, that's the result it should come up with, should be the employee ID, which is also a range. So we select the range, we close, or we block it, and we close the parenthesis. We enter. Voila, you can see that that's looked through the sentence and really populated a QS ID, which is 0342, and that is there. So if you want more of these Excel videos, please click on the big red subscribe button below the video to subscribe to our channel, and also check on the notification icon bell to get notified when new videos are published. Drag this down, automatically all of them will be populated with the right ID. You can see for Sarah entry, you can see for James and Sam is in this sentence. So where's James and Sam? We have James and Sam here, which is also 0949. So you can see how powerful Excel is and how you can use Excel to do wonderful stuff. I urge you to continue to follow us on the UTeach Consult, and if you have any challenge, don't hesitate to contact me. We'll be at your service. Have a wonderful day. Bye.